Alin ang pipiliin mo? Itong Honda CBR 150R na may halagang 183,900 pesos at ang makina nito ay liquid cooled fuel injected single cylinder 4-stroke 4-valve dual overhead cam na may lakas na 16 horsepower at 9,000 RPM na may 13.70 Newton meter of torque at 7,000 RPM na may bore and stroke na 57.30 by 57.84 mm at ang fuel tank capacity naman nito ay 12 litro o itong Yamaha R15 na may halagang 164,000 pesos at ang makina naman nito ay liquid cooled fuel injected single cylinder 4-stroke 4-valve single overhead cam na may lakas na 19 horsepower at 10,000 RPM na may 14.7 Newton meter of torque at 8,500 RPM na may bore and stroke na 58 by 58.7